Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Fortnite with a PS5 controller on PC. Alright, let's begin. The easiest way to use a PS4 or PS5 controller on PC is with a wired connection. Plug your controller directly into your PC for the best performance and lowest input latency. Fortnite will recognize it automatically, allowing you to play without additional setup. If you prefer wireless, first close Fortnite completely. Open the Bluetooth menu from bottom right and turn it on if it isn't already. If your PC doesn't have Bluetooth, you will need a wireless adapter or a wired connection. Now, on a PS5 controller, hold the PS and the upper left Create button until the light starts blinking blue. On your PC, look under the New Devices section and wait for the controller to appear. Once it does, select it and you're good to go. Next, open Steam, go to Settings, and under Controller Settings, enable PlayStation Controller support. Leave Steam running in the background, then open Fortnite. Your controller should now work in the game. So that's basically how you can play Fortnite with a PS5 controller on PC. That's it for this video. Thanks.